Hello and welcome to your 30-day ukulele challenge. I am so excited that you are here. Let's talk about the challenge, and today, because it is video 1, you do have homework. Okay, first and foremost, you're going to need to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. That way throughout the month, as a new video comes out, your phone will let you know, or your applications will let you know that the video has come out. Second, all of the videos will have a printable resource, or if you don't want to print it, you have like a document that you can look at on a tablet or a phone. These are essential for your learning because you can learn through video, but if you're learning through video and you also have something to have all of the information on, it will be much better for you. All of the resources are completely free, and the reason why we're doing this is because there are so many people in this community that have started playing ukulele and then they don't know where to go from there. So the objective of this 30-day challenge is to get you from being an absolute beginner, like how to hold the ukulele, to get to the point where you're proficient and independent. Like you can learn how to chuck, you can read tab, you can read chord charts, you can play a few songs, you can do a few more sophisticated strumming patterns, and that you understand the musical alphabet and chromatic scale. This might all go over your head right now, but at the end of the 30 days, you'll be really comfortable with all of this. So if we're going to be meeting like this every day for 30 days, and if I'm going to be your teacher, I need you to trust me. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. I was a music major in college. I studied music at Cal Poly Pomona. My emphasis was education because my goal was to be a music teacher. I played saxophone back in college, but I learned ukulele because I knew that it would be kind of like an instrument that I would be able to teach to many people. After earning my bachelor's degree, I went and got a teaching credential so that I would be a certified teacher. This made it so that I could teach at public schools, charter schools, private schools, and even international schools. I currently live in Japan, and so that certification made it so that I could teach out here. After finishing the teaching credential, I went and got a master's in curriculum and instruction. So you'll see that like the printables that we have, hopefully, are very high quality because that was what my master's was in. It was in developing curriculum. Now that I've told you a little bit about me, I would like to hear about you. Okay, so let's talk about your homework for today. For today, you have to get the materials and make sure that you set up an area where you are going to want to practice every day for the whole month. This should be an area that you feel very creative, very zen, very relaxed. You also have to tell the people that you live with that you're going through this challenge. Please set a time where you are going to do this every single day, because the objective of this challenge is to build a habit. And from the literature that I've read, it takes 21 days to build a habit. So you won't feel like doing this every single time. Maybe you're excited in the beginning and then you'll kind of taper off. So in order to keep that excitement going, it will help to set up a really cool area where you want to go and practice. The next thing that you need to do is decide that you're going to finish this challenge. Write it on your resources. I will finish this challenge before or on this day. And I would say give yourself an extra day or two because life does happen. So I don't want you to feel like you failed if you missed a day. Does that make sense? From the checklist of items below, you'll see that I'm asking you to get a notebook or a binder. If you get a binder, then you can just put the sheets in a sleeve or hole punch them. But if you get a notebook, I recommend that you tape them in. Even though glue sticks do work, or like white glue works, after some time and a little bit of exposure to the sun, the glue will dry out and your pages can fly out. So tape is actually a more reliable resource for like sticking pages to a notebook. Some of the first videos in this series kind of have a lot of foundational learning, some of which you might already know, but I recommend that you take that as a refresher course to set you up for success for the next videos to come. If you like using Instagram, make sure and use the hashtag and track your progress if you can, because it'll be really cool to look back after the 30 days and see your growth. I'll have my username on the screen so that you can tag me and we can kind of share in the progress. Alrighty, have fun with your homework assignment number 1, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.